Hands down, one of the best appetizers I've ever had is Chaat Masala fried okra. I had this at a little restaurant in Asheville, North Carolina called Chai Pani. Also, shout out to our friend Brady who actually requested a fried okra recipe. So welcome back to Organic Essentials, where we make real food recipes. My version, I'm actually gonna air fry it, so we're not deep frying it, a bit less calorie dense, but I'm gonna spice it inspired by what I had at Chai Pani. So let's get into it. Go ahead and preheat your air fryer to 400, and while that's preheating, we're gonna take our freshly washed okra that we towel dried, because you want it as dry as possible after you wash it, because if it's soggy, it's not gonna get super crispy. All right, so take each fresh okra and cut it in half the long ways like this. I like to leave the tips and the ends on because those parts get extra crispy, and I just like to pop the whole thing in my mouth and eat it. Use the whole okra, just cut it in half. And then you want to use avocado oil. Make sure each okra piece is nicely coated in the oil. This is going to help the seasoning stick as well as get it crispy in the air fryer. Now generously season with sea salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. And generously season with chaat masala. These flavors are really bold and delicious. These are literally the only two seasonings you're gonna need. Chaat masala already has a nice variety of seasonings blended into it. And then you want to use a little bit of baking powder. Not much, but just sprinkle a bit on there. This is gonna help these crisp up very nicely without actually breading it. Honestly, I season up my okra the same way I season up my chicken wings when I air fry them. And they're gonna be super flavorful and super crispy. Make sure it's nice and incorporated, you don't have any chunks. And it's gonna look something like that, nice and well seasoned. So you're gonna spread this out on your baking sheet for your air fryer. Make sure they're not on top of each other, because if there's a little space in between each okra, it'll get crispier. So just layer it out, spread it out, and air fry on 400 for 20 minutes. Look at that. Once it's done, it's gonna be just like this, nice and crispy and coated in seasoning. Super, super good. Go ahead and plate it up, and do not skip out on the lemon wedge or lime wedge. You're gonna want some citrus to squeeze on top right before you serve it. Not too early before you serve it, you don't want it soggy, but it's still gonna be nice and crispy. Really just brighten up all those really delicious, bold flavors of cumin, mango, and black salt. Before we jump into our taste test, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps out our channel. All right, cheers. Oh yeah. So good. These are just how I remember. The brightness from the lemon really brings out the flavors even more. It's so good. Crispy. Very flavorful, not too spicy, but it does have a little kick to it. And this is perfect. You don't have to deep fry it. You can just throw it in the air fryer. I promise you, it'll get crispy just like this. And do not skip out on the lemon, or if you have a lime, that'll work out too. As long as you have some citrus, it'll just brighten up those flavors. Something about veggies and citrus just go really, really well together. Brightens everything up. What I love about chaat masala are the complex flavors. You get the dried mango, you get the black salt, you get, oh my God, the cumin is so, so good. Everything just goes really, really well together. And the way the lemon just brightens it up, it's crazy. Guys, if you love fried okra, you have absolutely got to give this a try. Thanks so much for watching. Eat well, be well, and I will see you next time.